I am giving alternative suggestion for PF overlapping, which is providing great result. Many followers are calling me and they are saying that I joined in this organization. Thank you so much for that. Okay. If you want to utilize the same alternative suggestion in order to handle your dual employment in an effective way, you can approach to me. Okay. Usually, if you hide your past service history, they will identify. You cannot delete the member ID, because of which your background verification may be failed, okay, or in future it will fail. Okay. For future organization, you need to use my suggestion perfectly. Okay. If you need suggestion for dual employment, approach me. I am ready to suggest you perfectly. Consulting fee is huge. Okay. Once done your payment, we will discuss further. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.